Hello, how you doing? Hope you're doing well. Now let me show you a step-by-step guide on how you can get free proxies, free high premium proxies, and use them on your phone. Okay. So for that, we'll need two apps. Need you to come to Play Store. Then on Play Store, I want you to search for the first app we're going to use is called Socks Proxy. This one. Just download it. I already downloaded it. After downloading it, you need to open it, but we are going to download the second app first. So again, I want you to search for the second app. It's called Super Proxy. This one. Again, you need to install it. This one, you need to install it. Now after installing them, you need to come back to the first app you downloaded, the Super Proxy, the Socks Proxy. Open it up. Let's give it time to connect. Now on this app, they also offer premium proxies that you can buy, and these proxies you can buy them using coins, or you can watch ad and get them for free. So for like us now, we still have 0 coins, so we are going to get these proxies for free. So I want you to click on free proxies with ads. Click on it, and on my dashboard you can see I have like United States, I have 40 location, UK 53, Canada 3. It will be different with yours. Okay, so for me, since I like to work on United States, let's check on the United States ones. Now on this app, they monetize this platform using ads, so you'll have to watch the entire ad when you want to get these things, when you want to get these proxies for free. So for like now, you'll have to I'll have to wait for this ad to finish playing without skipping it. Then I can close it, and voila, you can see all the proxies they're providing me for free here. So let's check one that we can use, and all of them are residential proxies. See, mobile proxy. Let's take this mobile proxy. Which one? T-Mobile. Let's use the T-Mobile. So look for the one you want, then click on it, and again you see they're giving us an option to get this proxy by buying it using the coins, or watching an ad and unlocking it. So since we have free coins, we have 0 coins, let's watch an ad. So click on watch an ad, and you'll have to let the ad play the all of it without skipping. Okay, that's the price you have to pay for getting it for free. After the ad has finished, let's click on X to remove it, and just like that, they've unlocked the proxy for us. You see, the proxy comes with the username and password. So I usually take a screenshot for it. Take a screenshot of it. Nice. Then copy the first one, the host plus the port. So just copy it, and you need to go back to the second app you downloaded, the Super Proxy. Open it. Let's give it time to open. It's taking time. Now this is my dashboard. Your dashboard will be different with mine because I've already connected some proxies using this app. Okay, so this app, they also offer they also sell proxies, but we are not going to buy proxies from them. So what I want you to do when you're here, just click on add a proxy. Okay, here just click on that, and we'll have to key in the information we got from the other side. So on the server, just paste whatever we got the other side, and you see the last 1 2 3 4 5 digits. I want you to key it in the port section. So it's 36 59 5, then delete it from the server. Nice. And since if you remember, we were given username and password, so for authorization here, I want you to click on username and password, then you'll have to key in the username and password. For me, going back and copying the username and password, usually refresh the SOX 5, the SOX proxy. So what I do is just to type it. So that is Z, capital Z T K. So let's try that. So capital Z T K S24, small s24. Let's try the password. H. So it is HOH. Try that. QRL. So capital QRL. That's the wrong one. So is it an I? Nice. So just like that, the information is everything is okay. So just click on here, this file up here, and save it. Okay, then if you want to use it, just click on start, and the moment you've seen the time up here has started counting, and if you check up there, you'll see a small logo for VPN. That means that already you've connected this proxy to your phone. So let's check where our how strong this proxy is. So for that, just open your browser, the browser you're using on your phone, and you can go to word.net and just confirm if the proxy is working or not. And you see the proxy is working correctly. It says we are in dollars. Now let's check the connectivity, and you see that this guys is 90%, so it is a very good proxy. So I hope you've learned something. If you did, share it with someone and like the video. I hope I'll see you in the next video. Bye.